If you're an upcoming YouTuber and you don't know how to start when it comes to optimizing your videos, in fact, you are a novice, you don't know anything, stay tuned on this video while I walk you through some main steps you need to get so as to become a better YouTuber or content creator. Stay tuned. And hi guys, welcome back to Auguilicious. If you're new, thank you for joining. If you're an old returning subscriber, thank you for coming back to support Auguilicious. And please hit the like button, subscribe if you've not. Let's jump right into this video. You know, as a content creator or a YouTuber, you don't know how to start. In fact, you don't even know when it comes to optimizing, SEO optimization and all that. You don't even know what to do. You've watched lots of videos. In fact, you are now overwhelmed and confused. I'll take you through good steps that would help your content creating or you as a YouTuber. So this step will not only guide you, it will help you for ease with content creation, especially when it comes to dishing out videos and putting the right description, the right tags and hashtags. So stay tuned with me while I walk you through that. These are the steps I've created. This is what I've realized as a YouTuber. You want to be better. In fact, you don't even know how to start. So what you would do, get the VidIQ app. If you don't have it, you can go get it on the link I'll be sharing on the description of this video. Go to that link, download the app, and try to use it to optimize your video. I'll be taking you through the necessary steps in terms of optimizing your video. So with this VidIQ app, in fact, you don't even need to do any hashtag, tag, and all that. You just need to put the right description. With VidIQ, it will help come up with the right description, the right tags, and you do little or nothing and your video will be optimized. So stay tuned while I walk you through that step. At the end of this video, I have something you would not regret. So stay tuned with me. I have something to entertain you at the end of this video, something of value to dish out to you. And let me know your thoughts on this video. Drop your comments and I would love to hear from you. If you've been struggling with your video optimization, struggle no more. This is a very simple task to do. Optimizing your video, especially if you're a new content creator, you don't know what to do, you don't know how to start when it comes to optimization. I would suggest you get this VidIQ app. You can get the free version. Currently, I use a free version and I'll be sharing my link in the description box. Let me put you through on this, so stay tuned with me. So you see, I want to optimize this video. I've not done anything on this video. I can decide to change this title to the suggested title. You see, it has given me a higher score. It was 55 previously and I have 70. And I go to details, I have nothing here. As you can see, there's nothing here. Now I want to generate a description, brand new description. But before I generate the description, I want to add tags to help with the description. So I'll be adding this recommended tags. Let me add the recommended tags. This is for someone who is struggling to optimize their video and doesn't know how to start. You can start with this process, and with this you can always save this. If you're using your phone, it will show as publish. You publish it and there are more recommendations that could come up. This is for illustration purpose. Okay, so based on your video title, it's going to suggest tags for you and you generate your description. Very simple process. With this is the description that has been generated. All I need to do is apply. And once I apply it, I can go ahead to, probably I want to include hashtags and all that. I can review what I've written, the description, and I add my hashtag or whatever tag I want to add on the video. For example, I want to add some hashtags, yeah, because I'm talking about why men bring women abroad. So I could either maybe, I hope you're saying this clearly. I could either probably put motivation, hashtag inspiration, hashtag men abroad, and I can put more if I want to, and women. So you can decide to add hashtags before you save your description, which you can always preview to know if it's something that is correct or something that you want to use. Click on save, and that is it. When you save, you can go to your YouTube platform to check. So this is my YouTube, and I want to check my channel. So I want to check the recent video I've done, which is the one I recently optimized, and I've recently optimized. So I want to go to short and check the video I've recently optimized. So this is why I will check for that video. Yeah, this one. So this is the description that was generated, and as you can see, I can do other editing, which is including this under my inspiration and making the necessary recommended setting, which is my optimizing my video using the YouTube platform. I can put my related video. And if you want to watch a video where I've actually talked about why YouTube may not be recommending your video or knowing the right settings for your YouTube video, I suggest you watch the video coming up, and it will also come up at the end of this video. If you're not using VidIQ, I wonder what you're waiting for. You know that with VidIQ, you can also make your clips. Just go to create and go to your clip, go to create, then go to your clippings, and you can get new clips from here. I recently made 2 new clips, and you can also get new clips, which is by uploading a video or inserting the link of the video you want to upload, and you get your clips. See the new clips I made recently doing this one, social media, that the new clips I just made. And the amazing thing is that this is the free version. Drop your comments and I would love to hear from you. I hope you have gained something of value from the video, from what I've shown to you in this video. If you have, let me know in the comment section. Please ensure to watch the video coming up at the end of this video. If you don't even know what to do, even after you've watched the video, you're still confused, please hold on to watch the next video. See you there. Bye for now.